Yeah, that is really funny. Hey, Claire. Yeah, what do you need? Why haven't I ever seen you in public before? What do you mean? Why haven't you actually, gone to school before? Like me? Well, I've never told anyone this, but... Wait. Before you tell me any drama, you have to pick a dorm. What's a dorm? Sweetie, you got a lot to learn. Come on, follow me. Okay. Anywhere, we better go to lunch. Okay. What should I get? Go on to meals. I think you are kind of a giant sub sandwich girl. $12? It's okay, I'll pay for it. Thank you. Now, I've tried every single food, so you've got the best one, trust me. My card isn't working. It isn't. Get off. Okay, it said my order's being made. Yes! My food is ready. Where is it? Here's his too. Come on over. Okay. Wait, what? How is my food ready? No one made it yet. Whoa. Yummy. Yep, now let's go find a table. Now look, don't think I'm not that popular because we're the only ones sitting here right now. But to be honest, usually me and all my other friends are here. And it's a jam. But I told them they can't come to school. Why can't they come to school? Well, because I wanted to hang out with you today. Oh, you're so nice. Music! Music! I forgot! Oh, I've always wanted to be here. You know, it's a really fun place. But just know that not everyone's the nicest here. Okay. Come on, Claire. Oh my gosh, I just never seen an actual any of this before. Claire. Whoa, what is that thing? It's called a piano. You want to play it? Yeah. Okay, so sit down and just play the numbers. Huh? This doesn't make sense. Try turning your volume up. Whoa. Try it. That's fine. Well, where do we need to go next? Well, there's this really cool boy that I've really been wanting you to meet. Oh, wait. My mom's calling me. Just wait 1 second. Hey, Mom. Hi, sweetie. How's your friend? Claire, come say hi. Hi, Ellie's mom. My name's Claire. Yeah, Mom. This is Claire. Claire Ref? Yes. Oh my gosh. I think your mom's kind of going cray-cray. Okay, bye, Mom. I know that was weird. Sorry about that. Well, wait, my mom's calling me again. I better go now. Bye. Mom? I don't want to have to go home. It's Sweetie, you have to. That girl's a horrible influence. What? But Mom, she's nice to me. Everyone else only likes me because you are the fashionista of the world. Yeah, well, you don't need friends. You need money. Mom, you're coming home now. Fine. Love you. Love you. Feel really bad for her. I better go. Oh, someone likes to sneak up on people. Who are you? My name's Jake. Okay. Wait a minute, I thought you had an accent. I do. But I also have an English accent. Okay. Anyways, you're gonna be late for class. But they said that we're out because school's over. Sweetie, you got a lot to learn, okay? The one thing I need to tell you, don't snoop on Ellie. Why? Don't tell anyone I told you this, but... Well... Ellie's my ex. What? She doesn't talk to me anymore, it's fine. But I don't know where she is. So you stalk her? No. Of course I do. But you do. You do. No, I don't. Yes, you do. Now listen. You just need to stretch out and show everyone that you're not a stalker. Huh? I'll tell you more later. Okay? Come to my dorm at 8. Bye. Bye. What in the world just happened? I'm not a stalker. Well, the one thing I do remember that Ellie said about the school is I need a dorm. Whoa. School air smells gross. Ew. Wait a minute. Is that what he did to me? Does that mean he likes me? I'm gonna get it out of my mind. I think this is where you go. I'm just gonna wait here for Ellie. This might take a while. Oh, Claire! Claire, where are you? There you are, Claire. Huh? Oh, Ellie, where were you? Just getting ready for something. You're wearing the same clothes. I know. Well, anyways, you ready to get ready for the dance? What dance? Eek! You don't even know, huh? No, I don't. Why? Just follow me. 1 hour later. Okay, Claire. Ellie has taught you everything. She's gotten you ready for this dance. It's time to go in. Wait a minute. I just forgot. Why do I even have to be here? They're all so pretty. Can't see. Ella. Whoa. That girl is so pretty. Oh, Maddie, Teddy. I'm never gonna be them. Ah, what is this tragic? Ugh, I do not like limbo. Wait a minute. Oh yeah. I for a second thought that I learned that by myself, and then I was like, nope. Ellie taught me. really taught me a lot. I can't wait to see what tomorrow brings.